Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Slide Master feature in PowerPoint to make your slides look consistent and professional. I'll be using a data example so you can see exactly how it works in real time. Step 1. Open Slide Master View. Start by opening your PowerPoint file. Go to the View tab at the top, then click Slide Master. This opens a special editing mode. On the left, you'll see one big master slide at the top, and underneath it, several smaller layout slides. Step 2. Customize the main master slide. Click the top slide in the list. This is the main slide master. Any changes you make here will apply to all slides in your presentation. For example, if you change the font to Times New Roman and make it red, every slide will now use that automatically. Step 3. Edit individual layouts. If you only want changes for certain slide types, click one of the smaller layout slides. For example, you can adjust the title slide layout to have a big bold heading, or change the bullet point slide to have more spacing. Step 4. Add a logo or background. If you want a logo on every slide, insert it here in the Slide Master view. You can also change the background color or add a pattern. These will appear on all slides that use that layout. Step 5. Close Slide Master View. When you're done, go to the Slide Master tab and click Close Master View. Now all your changes will be applied to the presentation automatically. No need to edit each slide manually. And that's it. That's how you use Slide Master in PowerPoint to create a consistent and polished presentation. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next tutorial.